What is up, everybody? Welcome to the first part of our drift build. We have this salvage title wrecked 370Z09, supposedly Nismo. Today we are trying to get the diff out to go get that welded. It was kind of always a plan to make a YouTube channel for the drift channel and cars and whatnot. I just kind of forgot, got ahead of myself. I'm on a time crunch here. I do detailing, so I got to go window tint after this in 45 minutes. I'm trying to get this done, so I'm not going to talk too much. Here's the 370. We got it up on some jack stands. Step one is getting this diff out, or the brace. There's one here, or one bolt here, and then 2 bolts up top on each side, so 6 total. And then I got my exhaust off that's not going back on. It's actually pretty straightforward. Let me show you under here. So try to get a good angle. The diff brace connects here and here, and then I guess it went out somewhere, or went up, so 2 bolts there, then or 1 bolt here, and then it V's off, so over there and then over there. So now I just got the axle nuts out, 6 bolts each side, and now I'm working on the drive shaft, and then I can take the 2 diff bolts out up here and over there, but I can't get the drive shaft bolts out, so you can come struggle with me. Ow! That's gonna leave a mark. I was having so much fun before that too. Frick, dude, that hurt. Oh, and the socket came off.
Probably after it domed me in the head.
Love my life. Oh, hey, Jesse, how's it going? I'm having a grand old time, buddy. We got our socket on the main diff bolt right here in the side. Here's the axles that are out. 2 over there are done, so now we're just gonna yank this out and the diff's out. And I gotta get going here real soon, so let's get this done. Alright, so we had to do a trip to Agway, or hardware store, because Alan tried helping me and he rounded the bolt for the diff, so that freaking blows. Yeah. So we got a hammer, got some adapters, hopefully can extract it with a 12 point. If not, I'm gonna kill myself. I hate cars, I hate life. So yeah. $43 later, let's go see if that works. Well, we didn't need to go there because they told me to do something I didn't need to do. I ended up just putting the 17 mil back on instead of going with the 16 because it wasn't that rounded. He didn't round it far, so that's good at least. But I got the bolt out. I need a new diff bolt, and my camera's on 1, so I'm just gonna try to get the diff out and on camera because it looks sick. All right, camera died. So we're just gonna use my iPhone, sorry about the footage. I just gotta loosen the 2 diff bolts. I already knew this, but just gotta take them out so I can pull it out. Yeah, let's go, baby. I did about 85 hours this week at work. It's 8:30. And this is the longest I've slept in forever. I'm still beat. My body hurts. Everything hurts. But yeah, we got stuff to do. I wish I got up earlier, but I just needed some time to recover. So yeah, we got the rear diff out. Now I met a guy detailing, and he says he can weld up the diff. Turns out it is a true Nismo LSD
I was hoping it was open, but hopefully he can weld it. I don't know. But without further ado, let's go get after it.
I just got the diff back. So I'm just gonna, right now, spray it with some brake cleaner. I really gotta get a tripod so you guys can watch me do this stuff. And then hopefully we can get it sealed up today. Got both bolts on, just making sure I try to get every crevice I can to make sure this thing's clean. Because she'll probably be abused, so you gotta take care of your stuff. Even though you beat it, you gotta take care of it. And I have a history of not taking care of things. So, because I've had multiple drift cars where I was in financial troubles and putting credit card debt to drift. So, now that it's 4 years later, I'm a little more stable. So we're gonna try to be better. I always try to seal the bead off. Some people like to do a line. I like to do a complete circle. Just so I know. Extra peace of mind. Also, good news is I just realized I forgot a torque wrench. I know it's 32 foot-pounds, so we're going to give her the old ugga-dugga and see what happens. Here we go. Diff is sealed, baby. Let's get it in the car. Now for the most annoying part, I think anyway. It's gonna be putting these stupid things on top. Getting one of these bolts threaded and started. Oh, no kidding. It's in. No way. It almost looks like I did that before. Alright, just wrapped the Z up. Didn't realize my SD card got full, but here we are on the maiden voyage. No plates, so we just took it around the corner, and it definitely is welded. I definitely didn't have a welded diff last time I had a 350Z, that's for sure. It's definitely LSD. A little noisy, but feels great. I'm definitely excited to slide. It just wants to kick out, so yeah. Big videos on the way. I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned. I'm going to try to post pretty consecutively, and it's going to be sick. Don't you worry.